How to make phone text bigger in Android. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. If you are facing their problem like your eyes vision was not that good and you cannot see small text and you want to make text bigger in your phone, so it will be easy for you. So for that you need to go to mobile settings. Once you click on settings here, you guys will look for display brightness like it. You guys can see display brightness. Even if you didn't see that, you guys can simply search here like display. Once you search display here, you guys will see display brightness. Simply click on display brightness. Once we click here, you guys simply scroll. Now you guys can see display size font. So simply click on font. Once you click on font here, you guys can see phone size, so simply click on that and you guys can adjust it here, like you guys simply make it to end like font right there will select large, and once I select large, my all font text will be large. So for applying it, I will simply click on apply, and once I click on apply, that's it. Out font size will be that big like you guys can see. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.